how to fix Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V not working in your Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the Ctrl+A, C and V not working in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply right click on your Windows, go with Device Manager. Under Device Manager, you need to go with Keyboard, and under Keyboard, select your keyboard, right click on it, go with Update Driver, and you can go with Search Automatically for drivers or Browse My Computer for drivers, and then let me pick from unavailable drivers. Select that and then go with Next and update your keyboard driver. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is go with the Device Manager again, go with your keyboard, and here you need to uninstall the device. After that, close all windows and restart your PC. After restarting your Windows, will automatically install default drivers by itself. Now the third solution is you need to open up your settings and go with System. Under System, you need to scroll down and go with Troubleshoot. Under Troubleshoot, you will have other troubleshooters, and now you will have the keyboard option. So go and search for the keyboard option, and under that you need to go with Run. Select the Keyboard Troubleshooter, and Troubleshoot will find some solutions for you and it will help your issue. So that's how you can fix Ctrl+A, C and V not working in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.